Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi A1 Plus with stylish and trendy design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD dot-drop display, with 6.52-inch HD+ display, with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 81% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection, and on front water drop notch is present. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 8-megapixel main camera, along with the 0.08 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 5-megapixel camera, under the water drop notch, at the top center. For the software front, the handset turns on Android 12 Go edition, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 12, screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is quad-core, powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 2 or 3 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 32 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.09 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options black, light blue, light green, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi A1 Plus has been priced in Pakistan for 2 GB plus 32 GB storage variant at 19,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 3 GB plus 32 GB storage model is priced at 32,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Redmi A1 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.